Hold on to your wallets. The AI revolution is here. Hey there, everybody. Get ready to be amazed because the world of finance is changing faster than ever. Remember those old days of confusing spreadsheets and endless financial jargon? Well, say goodbye because artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is here to shake things up. Imagine a world where managing your money is as easy as ordering takeout. That's the power of AI, and it's about to change your life. We're talking about personalized financial advice, investments that practically manage themselves, and a level of security that would make Fort Knox jealous. No more feeling lost in a sea of financial terms or overwhelmed by complicated charts and graphs. AI is breaking down those barriers and making finance accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or experience. And the best part? This isn't some futuristic fantasy. AI is already making waves in the financial world, and things are only going to get more exciting from here. We're on the cusp of a financial revolution, and trust me, you don't want to be left behind. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of AI-powered finance and meet the game changer itself, FinGenie. Meet your new financial BFF, FinGenie. Let me introduce you to FinGenie, your new best friend in the world of finance. FinGenie isn't your average financial advisor. It's an AI-powered platform designed to make your money work smarter, not harder. Think of FinGenie as your own personal financial guru, available 24/7 to answer your questions, offer personalized advice, and help you achieve your financial goals. FinGenie takes the guesswork out of investing and financial planning. It uses the power of AI to analyze market trends, assess your risk tolerance, and create a customized investment strategy just for you. No more sleepless nights worrying about your investments or second-guessing your financial decisions. FinGenie is here to guide you every step of the way. But FinGenie is more than just an investment tool. It's your all-in-one financial companion. From budgeting and saving to retirement planning and debt management, FinGenie provides the tools and insights you need to take control of your financial future. It's like having a financial expert in your pocket, ready to offer support and guidance whenever you need it. Deep learning. It's not as scary as it sounds. Now you might be wondering, what exactly makes FinGenie so special? Well, the secret sauce is something called deep learning. Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. It's actually quite simple. Deep learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn from vast amounts of data and make intelligent decisions. Imagine feeding FinGenie all the financial information in the world: stock prices, market trends, economic indicators, you name it. FinGenie would then analyze this massive dataset, identify patterns, and learn how different factors influence the market. It's like giving FinGenie a crash course in finance, but on a superhuman level. This deep learning capability allows FinGenie to understand the complexities of the financial market better than any human ever could. It can spot trends before they emerge, identify investment opportunities that others might miss, and continuously adapt its strategies based on the ever-changing market conditions. It's like having a crystal ball for your finances, but instead of relying on magic, FinGenie uses the power of AI. Surfing the market waves in real time. The financial market is like a vast ocean, with waves of opportunity crashing in every direction. Trying to navigate this turbulent sea without the right tools can be overwhelming, even for seasoned investors. That's where FinGenie's real-time market adaptability comes in. FinGenie doesn't just rely on historical data. It's constantly monitoring the market, tracking every ebb and flow, every rise and fall. It's like having a team of expert traders working tirelessly behind the scenes, analyzing market movements and adjusting your investment strategy in real time. This means that when the market takes an unexpected turn, FinGenie is ready. It can quickly adjust your portfolio, buy or sell assets as needed, and ensure that your investments are always aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. No more agonizing over whether it's the right time to buy or sell. FinGenie takes the stress out of investing by making smart decisions in the blink of an eye. Section 5. User-friendly? You bet. Now I know what you're thinking. All this sounds great, Oprah, but is FinGenie only for tech-savvy investors? Absolutely not. One of the most amazing things about FinGenie is its user-friendly design. You don't need a degree in computer science or a deep understanding of financial jargon to use FinGenie. It's designed for everyone. FinGenie's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Think of it like your favorite social media app, but instead of scrolling through pictures of your friends' lunches, you're exploring your financial future. FinGenie uses simple language, helpful visuals, and interactive tools to make managing your money a breeze. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned investor, FinGenie meets you where you are. It provides personalized recommendations, step-by-step guidance, and educational resources to help you make informed financial decisions. No more feeling intimidated by complex financial concepts. FinGenie empowers you to take control of your money with confidence. Section 6. Keeping your money safe and sound. Of course, when it comes to our hard-earned money, security is always a top priority. You can rest assured that FinGenie takes the safety of your financial information very seriously. It uses state-of-the-art encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your data from unauthorized access. Think of it like this. FinGenie stores your financial information in a digital vault, protected by multiple layers of security. Only you have the key to unlock this vault, and even the most sophisticated hackers would have a tough time getting through. FinGenie's security measures are constantly evolving to stay ahead of potential threats, ensuring that your money is always safe and sound. But FinGenie's commitment to security goes beyond just protecting your data. It also helps you identify and avoid potential financial scams and fraudulent activities. FinGenie's AI algorithms are trained to detect suspicious transactions and alert you to any potential risks, giving you peace of mind knowing that your finances are well protected. For those of you who are new to the world of investing or feel overwhelmed by the thought of managing your finances, FinGenie is the perfect starting point. It's like having a patient and knowledgeable financial mentor by your side, guiding you every step of the way. FinGenie starts by asking you a few simple questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Based on your answers, it creates a personalized investment plan tailored to your specific needs and aspirations. No more feeling lost or unsure about where to begin. FinGenie provides a clear roadmap for your financial journey. FinGenie also offers a wealth of educational resources to help you build your financial literacy. From articles and videos to interactive tutorials and quizzes, FinGenie makes learning about finance fun and engaging. It's like having a crash course in personal finance, but without the boring lectures or stuffy textbooks. Now, for all you experienced investors out there, don't think for a second that FinGenie is just for beginners. FinGenie is a powerful tool that can enhance your investment strategies and help you stay ahead of the curve. FinGenie's advanced analytics and real-time market insights provide you with a competitive edge. It can analyze vast amounts of data, identify hidden patterns, and uncover investment opportunities that you might miss with traditional methods. It's like having a team of analysts working tirelessly behind the scenes, providing you with the information you need to make informed decisions. FinGenie also helps you optimize your portfolio by automatically rebalancing your assets, minimizing your tax burden, and maximizing your returns. It's like having a personal financial advisor working around the clock to ensure that your investments are always performing at their best. The world of finance is changing rapidly, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. FinGenie is just one example of how AI is making finance more accessible, efficient, and personalized than ever before. In the future, we can expect to see even more innovative AI-powered financial tools and services emerge, empowering individuals and businesses alike. Imagine a world where everyone has access to personalized financial advice, regardless of their income or background. Imagine a world where investing is no longer a guessing game but a data-driven endeavor, guided by the power of AI. That's the future that FinGenie and other AI-powered financial tools are building. A future where everyone has the opportunity to achieve their financial dreams. The AI revolution in finance is not just about making money, it's about democratizing access to financial knowledge and empowering people to take control of their financial futures. It's about creating a more inclusive and equitable financial system for everyone, regardless of their starting point. So, my friends, what are you waiting for? The AI revolution in finance is here, and it's time to embrace the possibilities. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor, FinGenie and other AI-powered tools can help you navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence. No more feeling overwhelmed, intimidated, or left behind. The future of finance is here, and it's in your hands. Take charge of your financial destiny today and unlock a world of possibilities with the power of AI.